Hiya, it's Adam here from AM Web Design and Digital Marketing, generating more leads, more clients and more profits for your business online. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing in this video tutorial is a very simple element but very essential. Before you upload any sort of imagery to your website, you need to do something called optimizing it. The reason this is if you take even say take a photo with your phone and you think, right, I'm going to put that up onto my website. The problem you've got is even on a phone, the quality is so good, it would generate you a picture that's probably about 4 meters by 2 meters. It will take a really cracking, good quality, high contrast photo that you can use. But when you upload that onto the internet and onto your website, if you're putting up loads of big images that are using up a lot of space, it will actually slow your website down and it will take time for the servers to load that image. So especially if you've got lots and lots of images on your website. So what I'm going to show you on this is how to actually resize your images. So I'm going to show you a couple of ways. I'm going to show you one using Photoshop, which is what I use all the time just because it's nice and easy and quick. And a free method, or two free methods that you can use. One is using Canva, DotCom, which is a photo editing suite online that's free. You can use that one. Or Pixlr, which is like an online Photoshop. I use actual Photoshop elements because I find it nice and fast and quick and easy, and that's the best one for me. However, if you haven't got the money to go and buy it, I think it's about 50-60 quid or something to buy the software. You can go onto Canva, do it on there, or you can do it on Pixlr. I just find Pixlr's a bit fiddly to do, but I'll persevere and I'll do it as an example on this one. Okay, so the image I'm going to use, it's for a website that I've been working on for a client called Morgan Horse International. I'll quickly go and find where the photo is. Can't remember, I put it in my downloads. Yeah, it's this one here. It's a big photo. Well, this one isn't a big one. This has already been shrunk down and resized. So this is only 124 by 682. So this is fairly small. In fact, what I'll do, forget that, I'll go on to something called Pixlr and we'll get a photo from there. So we're going to pixlr.com. I'll put a link down below the description for Pixlr, and we can choose an image from here. And we'll go for a horse image because that's what I've been working on. Okay, so we've got loads of lovely, beautiful horses. So have a look. That's quite a good one. I like that. Okay, so we're going to go on here. Am I logged in? Hopefully I'm logged in. If not, this is a free one you can use. Go free download. You can choose what size you want. So I'll go for the really big one because that's generally what you'll get online. Or you can use this one. Oh yeah, go for that one. Download that just because it's a bit. When you sign up to this, it is free to sign up, and it just allows you to download images without re-signing in every single time. So we'll go down, find that picture that I just like, that one there. Free download. We'll go for that. That's a very big image. You can see it's 671 kilobytes. And that'll just download. There you go. It's called Saddle. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to come across. This is just Photoshop Elements. I've been using Photoshop Elements for bloody hell, 10 or 12 years, I suppose. And I'm still using Photoshop Elements 7, which is really old, but it does everything that I need. Okay, so what you're going to do, I'll do a demonstration on this one first. We'll go File, we're going to create a new blank template, so blank file. We choose the size we want. I'm just doing it as a featured image, so we'll go 800 by 550. Call it Saddle. Okay. And it'll just open up the template, shrink it down. You press Alt, and then it'll change it from, see where it's got a plus icon on, go to that, it goes to minus, and you can shrink the image down or make it grow, depending on which one you want to do. Then I'll go File, Open, Go to downloads, PC, there's my downloads area, saddle, open up that one. And then we're going to go select all, and it will put the ants around the outside of it. Edit, copy, put it across there, paste. And as you can see, it's just picking up the corner because that's the size difference that you've got there. So just hover across your icon into the corner and you can drag and drop the image. You can use your left and right icons just to make sure it's a slight overlap. File, you can come down here, save as, and it'll ask you to save as a PSD first of all, which I'm going to for this one, and then save as. I want to save it as a JPEG, so click on JPEG, delete that last little bit, save. So I'm not bothered, it's online, so I don't want it being the full 12 because you can put it up to there, which will give it this full clarity. So I'll drop it down to about 9 normally. So it's already dropped it to 164 kilobytes already. Okay, so now I've got that saved. Okay, so then if we come across, I'm going to go to a website called Tiny PNG.com. This will optimize the image further. So you click on there, there's my new image I've just done, and it will shrink it. So it's now taking it from 160.7 down to 90. So if you think this original image that I took was 671, by the time I've gone through these couple of steps, it's down to 90. And it means it's a lot faster to load. It hasn't lost any quality, but it's now a lot smaller and a lot faster and quicker to upload and for your server to actually show to people. Okay, so the other ways that we spoke about, oh yeah, sorry, if we go back to Tiny PNG, once you've shrunk it, click on download and it will just put it straight back down. There it is, puts the 1 on it because that's now the new one. So it's exactly 88.5 kilobytes that image now compared to what we had originally, which was that one. And it's not going to show me, come on. There you go, so 594 kilobytes down to 90. So you can see it's made a big difference. Okay, so the other ones we can use, if you go to Canva.com. Again, this is a free website, has a premium sort of thing into it. I don't use it, I just use the basic one. Okay, so you go create design, and you've got custom dimensions. So we'll do the same, 550, create design. Scroll down the bottom here, you've got uploads, upload an image or a video, and we'll go for this was the original one. Just drag and drop, give it a name, Canva. Click off of there. As you can see here, it will say all changes saved in a moment. All changes saved. Okay, where you got the download icon, click on there, open up. If you go into JPEG, small file sized image, so it makes it a smaller image. You can choose the size, the quality, I've got it at 80%. Then we download. And once again, it will just download straight into your downloads area. Run it through Tiny PNG again, 89, and in fact Canva's made it even smaller. It's now at 66.9 kilobytes for exactly the same quality, so it's even smaller. Okay, so that's a free way to do it. The last one, Pixlr, Pixlr, sure that's how you spell it, Pixlr.com. There we go, Okay, and literally this is another one you can log in or you can start editing. I haven't used this in a while. I'm just going to put my head up there. Create new. Web small, so let's give us a size. Create that one. got to be a way here. Close, undo, add image. There we go. So browse, we'll have a look on my thing. Width and height. No, we don't want to do that. Cancel. There's got to be on here. Have a look. I don't know, I don't like this one. Save that. So let's see if that has actually. So it resized it. Yeah, it's resized it straight away. 120 kilobytes. So all I did there was open up the image, click on the save, and it gives you the choice down here, and it will automatically choose your image height, and then you can just download it, and it downloads it at that new size. So that's quite a quick and easy one. Again, run it through Tiny PNG. That's the first one we did. Okay, and it shrunk it down to 79 kilobytes. Like I said, I don't use that one that often. Generally, I just use Photoshop for doing mine. There's the 1.1. That's the one we've done. So 77 kilobytes. That was the other one, 88 kilobytes, and then the saddle on Canva gave us the best one at 65 kilobytes. So that's how you shrink your images down. Just find what works for you, what works better, and it just means you're not clogging up your website with tons and tons of images that are just too big to be on there. Okay, so I'll put a bit of information down below the video as well, just so you can point you in the right directions, and basically go out and just have a quick practice on them and see which version suits yourself. Okay then, cheers, and I'll see you in another video.